Learn English by reading the economics. Hello, 大家好，我是英文小白。Today we continue to talk about how to cope with the middle crisis. We talk about Google. So today's main sentence is the ambitious moonshot projects has been a breakout success or has not been a breakout success. We will find the answer in this video. So first, ambitious, dream big. Second, moonshot. If you want to shoot the moon, it's impossible, right? You might never get it. Number 3, a breakout success. It's not normal success. It's just became a huge and a very big success. Okay, without further ado, let's start.
None of the ambitious moonshot projects into which Alphabet has poured billions, such as delivery, drones, and robots, has been a breakout success. So what's the main sentence?
None of the ambitious
Yes.
Has been a breakout success.
Yes, that's correct. So they spent a lot of money and none of it became a success. Okay, any question about?
They cannot spend much more.
That's not what it's saying. It didn't say any of that here. Please don't add more stuff. It doesn't say anything about they can't spend any much more.
They
didn't say cannot spend much
They
more.
said growth constraints.
Yes,
right?
but you're reading into it. This is not what this sentence
So
says.
you said I'm not thinking, so now I'm thinking because
Fine,
all these things is play.
This sentence doesn't say anything like that. It's just I want to go with the meaning of the sentence first. What does the sentence say?
Sentence: none of the ambitious projects
Yes.
has been a breakout success.
Okay, so what words you need to know?
I don't understand.
Let's just look at the one. Ambitious, ambitious?
Very confident.
No, ambitious does not mean confident at all.
Much more confident.
Nothing to do with confidence.
Ambitious. I'm the queen. I'm the king. Kind of like that, right?
No, that's not ambitious.
Successful.
No, it's not success.
No, what ambitions? Ambitions.
Ambitious is somebody who wants to they want to
Win.
Yeah, they want to win. They dream big.
Okay.
Okay, so ambitious projects. Okay, any question about ambitious projects?
No.
What's moonshot? So now you have to ask what moonshot means.
Moonshot. Moon. 月亮.
Yeah.
Shot.
No, moon is not 月亮. Okay, what is moon? You don't know what a moon is?
Moon is 月亮.
Okay, do you call the light? What do you call from the light of the moon then?
月光.
Okay, so fine. So moon is actually that thing up in the sky. It's actually the thing in the sky, right? It's not the light or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. So moon is that thing in the sky. What's shot mean? Shot. S-H-O-T.
Shoot.
Yes, it's from shoot, yes? So what does moonshot mean? What does shoot mean?
Gun to shoot.
Okay,
the
yeah,
animal.
use gun to shoot something. Okay,
Yeah.
shoot.
Yeah.
Okay, so moonshot means what?
Use moon to shoot.
No, you can't shoot with the moon. That doesn't make any sense. If you try to shoot something, right? So have you ever tried to shoot something?
No.
Okay, now imagine that you need to shoot the moon. Okay? Can you shoot the moon?
No.
Why?
Too far.
Okay, so this is a moonshot. Okay, it's ambitious moonshot projects.
Oh. Shoot moon kind of ambitious.
Yes, which normally cannot happen.
Cannot happen. None of the moonshot ambitions
Moonshot projects.
projects into this company has poured billions.
Poured.
Spend. Cannot spend
Yeah,
a
whatever.
lot.
Such as delivery drones and robots has been a breakout. What's breakout success?
Has been a breakout success.
What is breakout?
A big.
No, can we just
Because
look at the word?
success.
It's not big. Breakout.
Breakout burst.
Okay, good. It's burst. What does it mean burst in this case?
Burst means suddenly come out.
Yeah, okay. Because it became a success. That's what it means. Breakout success. Right. Breakout. Okay. Okay, any questions anymore on this sentence?
Let me see. None of the project has been a break. Means all these projects are not success.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
They are all not success.
Yes.
Okay.